Today I'm going to cover one of the most frequently asked questions. What is the cost of our credit services? There are two investments associated with our credit services: your initial investment and your monthly investment. First, let's cover the initial investment. MSI provides a service, so like any other service provider, the cost will depend on the workload that you give us. We do not offer fixed pricing because no two credit reports are exactly the same. For example, an auto shop will not charge you the same for an oil change as it would to replace your engine. Some credit needs may require a simple tune-up, but others may require a full engine replacement. So the first step is to review your credit report, which will allow us to gather the information that will determine your initial investment. Some of the factors we will be considering are the number of negative items found on your credit report, such as collections, paid collections, late payments, repossessions, foreclosures, and public records. Now let's cover your monthly investment. Your monthly investment will be $98 for our standard program or $138 for our VIP program. The monthly investment will allow us to continue disputing the negative items that remain on your credit report on a month-to-month basis. But keep in mind, if you are satisfied with your results at any time, you can cancel. To find out exactly what your initial investment will be, fill out our free consultation form below or call us directly at 866-217-9841. We look forward to speaking with you and assisting you with your credit needs. Thank you.